Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you, and I hope you will subscribe so you don't miss any future content. If you are not new, then welcome back. I am so glad to have you return. So today we're going to do something really simple. You have seen me make the half sheet inserts for my planner in the past, just similar to this. This is ones that Bambi just came out with, but very similar to this. And basically they're just like my daily to-dos. But this has recently, Bambi came out with these, and I have loved them. But I have realized that I need a little bit more, and this was one I recently did, and I was kind of fiddling around with it, but I realized that I need a little bit more to it, because my days get so busy that, and I like to decorate a lot, so my days get so busy that this isn't enough room. So for me to fill, like, I need more, and I use one of these a day pretty much, or I mean normally just one a day, to kind of track what I'm doing and what I need to be doing. And so I need more space, because I also fill in my week kind of as I go sometimes, unless I have specific appointments or anything. But I also want something that's kind of like my command center for the day. So I'm going to take one of these little sheets right here, and I am going to use the back, and this is going to be kind of like my work life, and I'm going to make this my home life. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some really neutral little skinny washi. This came from Joann's, and I love the skinny washies. I love them more than the thick fatty washies. So then for the top part, I am going to put, let's see, I need okay, so I'm going to put just some things that, like, some home things. And this would be kind of more of cleaning list. So I'm just going to kind of write that at the top. Now, this is kind of like a prototype. I'm going to see how this works for me for tomorrow. And if it works great, then I am going to probably utilize this every day. And so a lot of these stickers, a lot of these stickers, you can get them in the boxes, so if you use them every single, which you wouldn't wash laundry every single day. I hope you don't have to do that. Then, yeah, if you can use a lot of them, and you'll still have plenty, so that's good about those. But yeah, please don't be doing laundry every single day. You'll make me look bad, and it's just, I just can't imagine that being a good life. So I know some people have to do it. I know that the more children I have, the more, I only have two, but they take a lot of work. Okay, and then I'm going to pull out my Glam Girl, has a lot of these cleaning stickers as well. Actually, it might be the Daydreamer. And this is the mini, because I feel like the mini is kind of more what I need for this type of I love mini stickers. I love them. I love them. Alright. Well, I did think that there was some cleaning in there. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's not. Maybe it's in the Daydreamer. I know that one of these planners has cleaning stickers. There we go. Alright, although I like that shopping a little bit better. So, and the wash days are kind of cuter because they're tinier. But that's alright. So we're gonna do the trash. Actually, I'm not gonna do that, but. And then I want to just kind of dust. All right. So what I'm probably gonna do, because I'm gonna have to make note of that, is dust. Those are self-explanatory. Okay, then down here we're gonna do. This is gonna be kind of like this. I think this is designed to be like more like a checklist, but I did not have one of my meal plan stickers in front of me, so I'm going to do my meal there. And then down here, this would be things more like, I'm going to do another piece of washi strip right here. And then I'm going to do another one. Let's see, I might wait on that one yet. But, so this chore list is going to be for certain bills as well, is what I'm going to try to, well, not, I'm losing my train of thought here. Hi guys, it's late. I need coffee apparently. I say it's late and I need coffee. That's like an oxymoron. I need coffee because I'm feeling tired, but it's late and that's why. So, and some of these tasks I do use my mini for, and so that if that happens to fall on a mini day, then I might not use this, or I might create something like this for the mini. They don't have nearly enough inserts for the mini. All right, so, okay, phew, finally got that out. So, I think I'm gonna put a movie night. Movie night, family time. Okay, so now basically this is the way that this is going to be used. This is my cleaning list, and I love the way that this has worked out, although I'm going to probably redo it a little bit the next time I do it. But here's the cleaning list, and then this is going to be my, like, what I'm making for dinner, so I know what to take out, as well as, now I do use the weekly meal plan sheets, but I don't necessarily want to have this infiltrate my daily list. I kind of want this to be the master copy. So I will write what I'm going to make for dinner, and then any household reminders. Now my chore list, although it's a chore list, and so I'll probably incorporate maybe one of these up here, and then if there's a sticker that applies, I can use the sticker, or I can write out things. But this is also like tasks that are not necessarily cleaning tasks. Could be like calling the bank, or paying, you know, or mailing off a letter, or things like that are household items. So I'll probably use a different sticker for this next time as well. But this just kind of gives you an overview of everything. So this is going to be my work side, and this is going to be my home side. And that's just going to take me through the day. And then any bills that I need to pay, I'm going to, on a specific day, I'm going to write them down here so I will not forget. Not that I intend to forget my bills anytime, but just that way they're there. We know they're there, so we don't have to worry about them. So it just kind of helps keep the day focused. And if you are not a heavy planner, or you don't need a weekly overview, and maybe you just want a monthly, you could always just buy sheets like this and plan each day at a time, and not even have to do like a big spread. So that's another suggestion for those of you who don't have a lot to do. Also, which is what I'm going to do, is we talked about that I do use, you know, I do love my mini. This is the mini right here. Like, cut off this last little part and you can stuff these right into your mini. So you don't necessarily have to have all the space, but you can fit it right in. And so for those of you who do mini plan, I still would get these because it could still help your life be amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you utilize this, and let me know if it helps you become more productive, because that's what I'm always looking for, is tips and tricks to be most productive during the day. And I'm failing at that, but you know, hey, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there eventually. So any tips and tricks you have, I would love to hear them. But let me know if this works for you. If you use this way, I'm going to do another video later on after I've gotten profesh at them, exactly how I want to use them. But let me know if this works and how you're using it, and if you use the back like this, or how exactly you're doing it, or if you're just making your own. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and can't wait to see you all next time. Have a great day.